everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create index sheet or what we also call as table of contents. Now in yesterday's video, we saw how we can rename the worksheets, but today we will learn how to get all the names in a single sheet and also create hyperlinks so that you can quickly jump to those sheets. As you can see on my screen right now, I have my training file open, and as you know, I have 16 worksheets in it. Now imagine you want to go to the 16th sheet, so then you will have to go one by one, right? But what if you want a dynamic link here? And let's say this is a master sheet, and from here you can just click on any sheet number and go there. So we'll see how we can do that with macro. So the code is very similar to what we saw yesterday's video. So that's why I've already written it to save your time. I'll also paste this in the description so you can pick it from there and use it in your files. So as you can see, I'm starting a for loop here, and I am writing a variable as I, um, then is equal to 1 to this workbook.Worksheets.Count. If you haven't seen my last video, what this does is this will run this macro the number of times you have the count of worksheets, right? So it automatically take the number of counts. So coming to the next line, what it is doing is sheet 16 is a master sheet. As I said, this is the master sheet which you are seeing here. And so in this, starting from row 4, I want the names of all sheets. So what I've done is sheet 16 dot range, then in bracket B, because I want in column B. If you want in any other column, you can change this. And I've written and here I, which should be same if you are using any other variable, so that should come here, and plus 3. Now why I have done plus 3 is because when the macro will run, it will start with 1, right? Whereas I want sheet names to be pasted from row 4. So that's the reason 1 plus 3. So it will start from 4, right? And after that, I have closed the bracket. Dot value is equal to. So this cell's value will be equal to sheets. I will be 1 in the first case. Dot name, and so on. It will move to the next loops, right? So this will be about naming all of them. So if you just want the names in single sheet, you just have to use this line and next I, and you are done, right? But I want a dynamic link also to go to all these sheets. So what you have to do is next line is the same. You just have to, instead of dot value, you just have to change it to select. And after that, you have to use this code ActiveSheet.Hyperlinks.Add. So this will add the hyperlinks. Then space, you have to write anchor, colon is equal to selection. So it will stay on that selection to create, so it will stay on this selection, for example, to create the hyperlink. And after that, you have to write comma. And this next line you can still write in this, but I have given space and underscore bar so that I can move it to the next line and show it to you. But it can still remain in the same line, right? And it will work. No issues with that. Okay. So the address I'm leaving here as blank. Address colon is equal to blank, right? And after that you have to write SubAddress. Now SubAddress is where you want hyperlink to go, right? So for all the sheets, I want hyperlink to go to, to A1. So that's the reason I have A1 here, and I will have to write B here. Okay. So I'll run this code now with pressing F5. Let's see how this goes. Right. So it was very quick, as you saw. I quickly got the links to all the sheets. I'll press this and show you it came to the next sheet, which is copy paste. Now I'll click on sort and filter. And as you can see, this came on sort and filter sheet. I'll show you one more example. Let's say remove duplicate. And as you can see, this came to remove duplicate worksheet. So this way, this was a small list, but in real life examples, you can have n number of lists. So this macro will be very useful to you. That's it for this video. Let me know in comments how you like this video and any topic you want me to cover so I can make the video on that. Subscribe to my channel to get, keep getting latest updates like this. And you can also share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. They can also learn this cool stuff. Thank you very much. Have a great day.